What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the show. I'm Sendesdhaiti. This is the Market Alert Show. In this show, we feature options, strategies, and options tips and tricks, trade secrets, things we use here. And we're gonna just hop right into this. We've been gone for about a couple days. Trying to catch up on the platform, but don't worry, we're here now. So, just to start off, let's start the screen recording. Okay, so coming off from the weekend, the biggest news so far is Apple. As you all know, the last time we took a look at Apple, we recorded it on September 6th, I think, or September 7th. Apple once was at, it started off at 182 pre-market and then dipped, dove to 176. So turns out, I'm sure most of you have heard that Apple has lost 200 bill from its China markets. They have now banned Apple products they have banned Apple from dealing in China. And as you all know, China being one of its emerging markets, sorry about that. So as you all know, with Apple being with China being one of Apple's emerging markets, that might prove to be very harmful. And as you can see, let's take a look at Apple. As you can see, it's testament by the huge dip. Let's look at a 5-day period. So as you can see here, over here, it's dipped over this last week. But not to worry. I know some of you are thinking, some of you invested into Apple right now are thinking, I'm gonna give you one more time. But it's all right. Because Apple makes moves like these, like it's cake. There's been times when Apple moves $10 in a day, down or up. I always go with that in mind. So the last time it was at this level was actually a month ago, and it did bounce back about a few weeks later, to back to 179 to 180, and then the following week it did bounce back to the high 89s. So of course Apple is right now going through turbulent times, but I would say this is for sure a long hold. Again, for the day traders out there, I unfortunately am not a day trader, so I can't really give you specifics as to how long. But as you can see here, let's take a look at the Apple chart. As you can see here, so Apple right now is trading lower at the open. And again, for the people who are thinking that they've,
I done gave it too many chances, baby.
but Apple's not going nowhere. They are looking to expand more into. They were already diversifying their markets into India, and from what I've heard, now that's going to give them an opportunity to expand a little more in those emerging markets. It's a lot of noise in the background. So that's gonna be a quick update for this morning. The biggest one so far is Apple coming off that WONDERLUST event. They did introduce 2 new iPhones yesterday at the WONDERLUST event. The iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And of course the new Apple Watch. I think I wrote it down last time. They were looking to introduce the new Apple Watch, which you all know is going to come out with new features. So with all of these things coming out for them, I think that they'll be able to replace that 200 bill. I don't think that should be too big of a problem for them. But stay vigilant, stay on alert. This is the Market Alert Show. I'd like for you all to join my business meeting, my business network. Right now it is booming, and we deal in utility services, so gas, electric, things like those, mobile services, TV, internet, things like those, utility services. So if you're interested in making residual income from those, then feel free to hit the link in the description below. It'll bring you to a email app where you can set up a meeting with either me or one of my business partners, and you'll be getting more detailed information about the business in that meeting. Be sure to tune in. We try to host this show 5 times a week, 1 to 2 times a day. So be sure to tune in for these, and as well as be on the lookout for my platform. That's the main reason why I was out for the first 2 days of this week. I was trying to allocate more of the time to developing that platform. And last but not least, you can support this show by the Cash App tag at the bottom of this description, as well as the bottom of this video. So I'm Sendesdhaiti. Keep on keeping on. Get ready for the Get Up show. That's gonna be up next, and I look to see you all there.